To load a new ribbon roll in your Brady Printer A5500, select Load Supplies from the main menu of the touchscreen, then select Load Ribbon. The printer carrier will slide back. Open the side door by lifting up on the handle. Use scissors to cut the remaining ribbon if necessary, and then pull the ribbon core straight off of the spindle. To remove the spent ribbon, turn the yellow knob 1/2 turn clockwise and pull back to force the ribbon to the end of the take-up spindle. Pull the ribbon off of the spindle and return the knob to its starting position, turning counterclockwise to lock it into place. When installing a new ribbon spool, the keyed shape of the ribbon core must match the ribbon spindle. Take care to ensure that the smart cell end goes on first and aligns with the smart cell on the spindle. The ribbon will feed from the top of the spool when installed correctly. Thread the ribbon under the guide roller, then over the top of the guide bar. Slip the ribbon under the metal bar on the ribbon take-up spindle and rotate the spindle counterclockwise several times until the ribbon straightens and lays flat along the entire path. Close the door and hit Done on the touchscreen to return the carrier to its print-ready position.